Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to know that how to trade options on Questrade in 2025, then here is a guide for you. So first thing you have to do is go to questrade.com and you have to log into your account. Or if you don't have one, you can create a new one by simply click on open an account button here at the top right corner when you are on questrade.com. Now once you have clicked on it, it will show you the form where you have to fill up your legal first name, your last name, and your email address, and you have to select the country code of your phone number, then enter the phone number here, then simply click on this box here and click on next, and you are good to go to create account. So once you are on your account, there is several type of options, several types of platform or applications. So you right now this interface is of the website here. So once you are logged into your account, it will look like this, where you can find the options tab here. So simply click on options. Now when you are on options, you can find this search box at the top here. So you can search for that company which option you want to trade. For example, you are searching for Apple, so you can simply search for Apple here, or you can search for the symbol for a stock or ETFs. So for example, Apple, so I'm going to simply click on stock here and Apple, and it will show me all the data according to the date about the pricing of the stock of Apple, the bid and ask price, also the loss price here, and the expiration date here. So the percentage also, you can find more details for analytics. So once you are on this here, you can find a buy or sell option. So you have to decide that if you want to buy or sell. So if you want to buy, then you have to simply bid for it. So it is the ask price. You can see here is the ask price. Here is the lowest price here, you can see, and the highest price of a certain period of that stock here. So you have to bid for your comfortable zone, from your comfortable zone here, and this is the ask price. And if you want to sell it, so you can do, input your ask price from here, and you can find the bid from here. Now if you want to buy, for example, if you want to buy this, so simply click on bid here. Now from here you can find at the right side, you can find the tab where you can find more details from here. So if you select the call here, option type the calls here, and you have to select the quantity 1, that's when you are buying like 100 of stock of that company. So from here you can select the expiration date here and the strike here. Now you can find the details about the bid here, and also you can add the order type like limited, and you can add the limited price from here, and also the order duration or the actually the option duration from here. So once you have added the duration and place the order, it will show you that order confirmation section. So you have to simply click on send order, and you can get your order from here, or you can purchase that stock. So once you want to sell it, so you have to put it on sell, you have to add it to this ask price, or you can find the sell button here, buy or sell button. Then it will ask you to what you want to do, like sell. So you can sell it anytime you want. Also here you can find the margins here, so you can find different types of option according to the date about that stock, every pricing from here, and from here also you can find the strike here, and you can analyze your current stock progress, if you are on the revenue or it's a loss. So it's do it on your own risk. It's actually about lots of analytics and research. So that's pretty much all thing, the basic things about how you can trade options on the Questrade. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.